Yo, what's up, Premium Chasers? Man, we got a lot to talk about. The looming tariffs that are being announced tomorrow on Mexico and Canada, plus the increase in tariffs on China, not to mention the strategic crypto reserve that was just announced yesterday, not to mention all of the setups that are happening, especially for us option sellers. Man, we got a lot to cover, guys. Without further ado, let's go over the shoulder right now. Oh, all right, guys. Man, we are living in interesting times. This is, I know we're all fearful. We look at the fear index. We're at extreme fear right now. You know, these tariffs coming out tomorrow on Canada and Mexico is going to continue to just shake this market. It's insanity. We're going to be talking about setups and plays in a sec, because I think these are the time when the blood is starting to flow, and this is the time where you have to stick to the plan that you've made for yourself, right? And then obviously the tariffs, increasing tariffs on China now. So apparently that's all going down tomorrow. I didn't think it was, but there's a lot of confidence now, you know, that this thing is actually happening. You know, I thought, you know, I go live every single morning in my private group. And, you know, I talked about this morning, and this, what is happening? Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know. This strategic crypto reserve that was announced yesterday on Sunday. Oh my God, I'm watching literally on the TV in my office right here now. They're talking about it. Obviously, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, Cardano. I mean, I don't know. You know, to me, I'm out of crypto. I'm not in crypto at all anymore, right? I was like, you know what? This thing is hitting six figures. I'm fully out. Maybe that's the worst decision in my life, but whatever, dude. Like, I'm just sticking to real hard assets. Obviously stocks, precious metals, and then Pokemon cards. Let's go. So, guys, I don't know. To me, it rubbed me the wrong way. Everything that went down with Trump and Melania coin. If you don't know that, basically Trump launched this meme coin, well, a month ago, if maybe a little bit longer. I mean, just basically a pump and dump. Like, I don't know, dude. Look, I support our country. I support our president. I don't care who's president, dude. I'm not like super into politics or anything. I don't care. Like, I care about, you know, our country. I that's all I care about. But this ain't it, man. This ain't it. And like nobody cares. Just pump and dump. Like, we just pumped and dumped. Like, I agree with a lot of stuff Trump does, like, for sure, but like this, just come on, man. Like, and now we're doing that. So I have me personally, this is my opinion, guys. This is like, you know, my YouTube channel where I think a lot of you really follow me because I'm just a straight shooter. I'm just a normal dude here. Like, I've got no ulterior motives here for you. Like, I'm just sharing my opinions on this stuff, and I think you guys like that I'm like a logical human being. Like, I'm not like a hardcore conservative or hardcore liberal that like refuse, but like I definitely was brought up conservative, but like it's hard to agree with this, man. Like, come on. So I really, this whole like strategic crypto reserve, like, I just don't see this ending well. Like, I just don't, like, with the pump and dump of the with meme coins, and like the whole point of crypto was like to kind of like be like not regulated. Like, that was the whole point. Now, like, everybody only wants crypto regulation. You know why? So it just pumps up their own bags. That defeats the whole purpose of why it was started. Like, oh, so I'm out. I don't know. Whatever. I might miss gains. I might, whatever. I don't care. Like, I'm done. I'm out, and I'm done with it. Right. So, like, I don't know. I just don't see, I am kind of shocked, I'll be honest with you. Like, when I saw this, I was at literally Barnes & Noble with my daughters yesterday, and I saw on my phone, I was like, oh my God. I'm shocked this thing didn't blow past 100K immediately. Look, we're at 89K right now. I was actually completely shocked that we're not blowing past 100K. Like, what more news can come out? Like, I really am shocked that we didn't shoot back up. So, I don't know. We'll see. Whatever happens. Let's look at some setups. Oh, you know, we're all option sellers here, guys. If you don't know, that's all we talk about. We're the only community here on YouTube that is primarily for option sellers. We squeeze in that juice from those silly options buyers. So let's see what some of our setups are looking like right now, because there are there's juice to be collected. If you, like, for example, Nvidia, huge dump. Huge dump this today, down 5%. Great time for some cash secured puts. Let's go take a look at some of what those premiums are looking like. I'm just going to go out, sell, put. I'm going to go out about 32 days here and just go down to like, oh my God, they're nice. They are nice. Look, 105s. 105s. Oh my gosh, $278. I just want to see what is that because I'm terrible at math. What that's our super simple man's covered call or cash secured put calculator. Let me zoom in here a little bit for you guys and see what that premium return is going to be. What did we say? We're going to 278 on that. 278 for 10.5. Wow. 2.65% return on your money in 30 days, annualized 32% return. I mean, amazing. Listen, if you love Nvidia, this is the time to be doing your cash secured puts and collecting juicy premium. Even these 110s, you're getting $410, right? Even the 115s, I mean, even the deltas, like you would think it would be, like, let me see what the delta was on these, 0.20 delta. So... Oh man, so Nvidia obviously kind of taking a dump this morning. I think I don't know. I looking at the chart, guys. I think we got a little bit more room to go. We still got room to go to that bottom Bollinger Band. We got 113 at the bottom, right? That looks like that looks where our support's at. So I don't know. I still think we got some room to go, but anything under that 113, I think is going to be solid cash secured put territory. 200-day moving average of 126. Like when you compare this to like an AMD, like this is starting to look like a fair value company because the PE ratio on AMD is astronomical. If I could get Nvidia under $100, bro, one of the most valuable companies in the world. Insanity. So somebody asked me to talk about this. So you guys know I'm going to talk about Arista in just here in a second because it's still dumping and I'm going down with it. I'm going down. Like, I don't care. Like, I just believe in that company so much. But a lot of you guys asked me to speak about Super Microcomputer because it's in like the same kind of category. You guys know I like tech products. I don't touch this company. Listen, they were late filing, like their financial sketchy stuff happens. They were changing around management. It was sketchy. The whole thing was sketchy and I'm out. I'm not done. I never touched this company. Right? And it's still, and look at it, it's falling off a cliff still right now. Listen, I might eat my words. I got gains I'm looking for somewhere else and things I believe in over the past year, down over 56%, right? Yup, had a great recovery after it was able to actually report its financials like last week or maybe last week. So it had a nice pump, right? But I don't know. Still down over a 6-month chart. It tread lightly in your. Listen, I'm not telling you what to do. Do what you want. Again, there's sketchy stuff happening here. I know they have some amazing contracts and stuff, but not for me. It's not a company I'm playing with right now. Okay. Taking a look. I have so many tabs. I'm just all over today. Arista Networks, guys, down 3% again today. Again, this is the stock of this. This is our stock of the channel right here. We're at that bottom Bollinger Band. This is cash secured put time. Do your own due diligence. If you like the company, they're juicy though. Let's go take a look. All right, let's go look at Arista. Let's see how much premium there's out there right now. Selling put. And guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, like selling cover calls, cash secured puts, and collecting literally this premium from those silly options buyers, make sure to go watch the workshop down below. Okay, you definitely want to watch that. It's only 60 minutes long, but I kind of walk you through this whole strategy. And some of you guys were asking about that private community that we have. So it is kind of like invite only right now that I have a few people in there with. It's a super non-toxic thing. So again, this channel, I'm not here to sell you $4,000 courses, guys. Like I'm just trying to create cool people around us, but I do mention at the end of that workshop if you want to learn more about it. Okay. And it's something where I go live every morning, tell you my live trades, all that good stuff, and a ton of other stuff to help you like start doing this, but I'm not hijacking this video. So let's take a look at this. So I'm selling a put 32 days out. Oh, I'm going to need like 10 juice buttons. I cannot believe, I can't believe this. Look at this. 85s. This is what we're targeting that we've been talking about. We were targeting 85. $310 premium on $8,500. 3.65% in a month. Wow. This is one of the biggest market overreactions. I believe I might eat my words. I don't care. I have so much conviction in this company that I literally do not care. Genuinely don't care. Like I cannot believe it. I cannot believe we're seeing Arista at these levels. I truly cannot believe it. All right, let's keep moving. AMD popped up over 100. You know, we said that it was. I didn't think it wasn't gonna stay under 100 for a while. So Friday was kind of like your chance, I think, to open up some juicy cash secured puts. I mean, still trading insanely below that 200-day moving average of 143. Great. I mean, fantastic premiums here too. AMD. Let's keep going down here. Let's go to trade options. Sell. Put. Let's go out 32 days again. Yeah, there's juice to be had. Slam that juice button, guys. This is the time to. This is the time. If these are the companies that were on your watch list and you said you were going to stick to your plan and be buying them, this is your time to. Are you going to stick to your plan, or are you going to, or are you not? You got to make that decision. I mean, there's juicy premiums out there. A lot of juicy premiums on great companies. Alphabet, another one, had a little pop this morning, which is good. You know, we definitely could see, definitely foresaw that happening. Still trading below that 200-day moving average to 175, trading at like 170 right now. So still a great company. I mean, who's gonna complain about holding Google? Like, please stop this nonsense. No one's gonna complain about holding Google. Premiums obviously are juicy, but not as juicy as the other ones we mentioned. But let's take a quick look here. Trade. Let's go out selling puts. And yes, this premium you collect up front, guys. So, you know, they're not as crazy, right? Like again, 165 is what we were targeting, 160, 165. Not a crazy return here, 345. Let's take a look. $345 on 16.5. 2% return in a month. Can't really complain, right? Can anybody really complain about that? I don't think so. I definitely don't think so. Especially a company like Google. Like, we're not, like, stop. Like, if you actually complain about holding Google for 10 years, like, you're insane. Like, go look at the companies that they own. Look at their portfolio of products. Look what they're doing with AI. They own YouTube. You're watching this. The ad revenue. I mean, I don't know. I don't see it going away anytime soon, guys. Just listen. I don't know what else I can say to you, but stick to the plan. Like, if you have this handful of companies that you're planning to sell your options on, I believe, obviously, do your own due diligence, not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, but this is the time. This is the time. Whatever you're targeting, these are the times to get into it. Me personally, I'm looking at companies that I don't mind holding for like 5 to 10 plus years, like the Googles, Nvidias, AMDs, Arista, right? The stuff we were talking about here today. Okay, so this is the time I believe, to really start building those positions. Tomorrow, I don't know what's going to happen, but let's just. Deep breaths. We're going to get through this. So this is the time, though, to be a little bit more aggressive. When everybody's running scared, this is the time to be buying, and you're going to be happy that you did, when the market starts to recover, okay? As long as you're doing this on companies that you believe. Worst case, if you don't want to sell options, go put into like some of your Vanguard funds or other companies that you just want to buy and hold, right? Guys, make sure to watch that workshop down below. I'll leave it as a pinned comment as well as in the description. Make sure to hit like, comment, subscribe. Do it. Listen, people always tell me to do it. I don't do it, so I don't even expect you to do it. So you know what? I'm going to change the script. Don't you dare hit that like button. Don't you dare drop a comment for your chance to win a free one-on-one option strategy call. And don't you dare subscribe and hit that notification bell. All right? Don't do it, please. All right? Do not do any of those YouTube things down below. All jokes aside, guys, sell options, collect premiums, repeat. I will see you guys tomorrow.